Hello everyone, I am Ranjit J, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Science Engineering, SJB Institute of Technology. In this semester, I'll be handling analog and digital electronics for you all. In this subject, we'll be having totally 5 models. Very first model, we will start with learning about JFETs, MOSFETs and operational amplifiers. Next, we'll be learning about basic gates and different kind of wave shaping circuits. And next, at last, we'll be learning about flip-flops in this subject. If you want to learn this analog and digital electronics, one should have a strong basics on basic electronics as well as logic gates. So here, if you want to learn this subject, you will be having a lot of advantages. In the future, if you are dreaming about to become an embedded system engineer as well as a hardware engineer, this subject really teaches a strong basics about what are the different components you will use for the construction of computer. Thank you very much.
Hello students, good afternoon. So today we are doing a demonstration on the experiment of a digital electronic circuit, that is the 7th experiment. Design and implement code converter binary to gray or gray to binary using basic gates. So in this digital circuit experiment, so we are taking a code conversion circuit. So code conversion circuit is mainly useful for transferring same information from one system to another system or between any two systems. Generally it is used for checking the compatibility with different binary codes. So in code converter circuits we have two kinds, binary to gray code and gray to binary code. So binary code is nothing but how to represent a 4-bit information in binary format. Like for 0 you represent 4-bit 000, for 1 you represent 001. So like that until 1111 we are going to represent the binary code in binary pattern. And for gray code, in the same binary code we are going to have randomly changing one of the bit either from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. So that is how the gray code is generated. So generally for binary to gray there are some guidelines that has to be followed. So like as you see here, so in order to convert get the gray code, G3 is equal to B3 and G2 is equal to B3 XOR B2, G1 is equal to B2 XOR B1, G0 is equal to B1 XOR B0. So if you remember this expression and the pattern, so we are able to get the truth table for gray code for respective binary codes. So this expression is obtained by designing using the K-map simplification technique. So in the K-map we are going to take the truth table values column wise. Truth table values we are going to take column wise. B3 complete column is taken and it is represented in the K-map with the full complete values. And in K-map we are going to use SOP pattern and group ones. Along with that we will get an expression. So in the same way, considering each and every column B2, B0, B1, we are going to get an expression using K-map in this way. So getting all those expressions, next we have to construct the circuit using basic gates. So this is the circuit diagram that we have using NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate according to the expression that we have got from the K-map. So the IC that we are going to use will be 7404 for NOT gate, 7408 and 7432. So here coming to the circuit, so this is the binary to gray code experiment that has been connected already in the trainer kit. Generally in the trainer kit we'll be having 4 to 5 slots. So depending upon the requirement, we are going to take the 4 slots from the digital IC trainer kit, and we are putting ICs in these sockets with respect to the gates. So here we have taken 4 ICs, AND gates 2 is required, and OR gate 1 is required, and NOT gate 1 is required. So total 4 slots are required, and these are the patch cards that are used to connect the circuit. So and these green LEDs indicates the inputs, the red LEDs indicates the output. So green LEDs are B3, B2, B1, B0. The red LEDs are output G3, G2, G1, G0. So according to the truth table that we had designed earlier, we are going to cross check with each one of them and try to match the output properly practically. So here is an example for 1011. So for 1011, if you look at this truth table, it is 1110, and according to this, here we have given the inputs using the switches 1011. You can see the LED glowing, and here we can see the output the same as the truth table that we have got. So next we'll look at a different example like 1000. So for 1000, so we need to change, and for 1000 the output will be 1100. Okay, as you can see here, 1000 we have 1100. So like this, each and every bit information is being checked, and we have to verify the truth table. So this is how binary to gray code will be done. In the same way, gray to binary code also has to be done using the truth table as you are seeing here. So gray code to binary. What the gray code that you have got, the same must be obtained with the binary code on the right hand side, vice versa I have to do, and this is the logic circuit that we have constructed after simplifying using K-map. So again with the NOT logic gates, that is AND, OR and NOT, we have to construct the diagram. And like we had the expression that we have to remember, here also gray to binary, we need to remember this expression so that we will be able to construct the circuit easily and also verify the truth table. So for B3 it must be G3, for B2 it must be G3 XOR G2, for B1 it must be G3 XOR G2 XOR G1, for B0 it must be G3 XOR G2 XOR G1 XOR G0. So this is about the experiment that we have for code converter in digital circuit. Thank you.